Living in Miami Beach means enjoying stunning coastal views, abundant sunshine, and vibrant surroundings. But it also means preparing for hurricane season every year. Strong winds, flying debris, and heavy rain can threaten your home, especially large window openings. If you love the expansive look of picture windows but worry about storm protection, impact-resistant picture windows offer the perfect balance of beauty and security. Designed specifically for coastal environments, these windows provide powerful hurricane protection without sacrificing natural light or scenic views. What makes a picture window impact-resistant? Picture windows are fixed windows that do not open, making them ideal for maximizing outdoor views and natural light. When built with impact-resistant technology, they are engineered to withstand extreme weather conditions common in Miami Beach. Impact-resistant picture windows typically feature laminated glass with a strong interlayered double or triple pane construction, reinforced frames, heavy-duty anchoring systems. The laminated glass contains a durable membrane bonded between glass layers. If struck by flying debris, the glass may crack, but it remains intact instead of shattering. This prevents dangerous openings that could allow wind and rain into your home. Protection against wind pressure. During a hurricane, wind pressure can build rapidly. If a window fails, internal pressure can increase, potentially causing structural damage to the roof or walls. Impact-resistant picture windows are tested to meet strict wind load standards. Their reinforced construction helps maintain the building envelope, keeping wind outside where it belongs. Because picture windows are fixed and don't have moving parts, they naturally provide a tighter seal, adding another layer of strength during storm conditions. Defense against flying debris. One of the greatest risks during hurricane season is airborne debris. Tree branches, roof tiles, and other objects can become dangerous projectiles. Standard windows can shatter upon impact, creating openings that compromise your home's safety. Impact-resistant glass, however, is designed to absorb and resist these blows. Even if the outer glass cracks, the laminated interlayer holds everything in place, helping prevent interior damage and reducing injury risk. Water intrusion prevention. Hurricanes bring more than wind, they also deliver heavy rain. Wind-driven rain can find its way through vulnerable openings. Impact-resistant picture windows are installed with advanced sealing systems and waterproof flashing to prevent water infiltration. When professionally installed, they create a tight barrier that protects your interior finishes from costly moisture damage. In Miami Beach's humid environment, proper sealing is critical for long-term durability. Energy efficiency and UV protection. Beyond storm protection, impact-resistant picture windows offer year-round benefits. Modern options often include low emissivity coatings, argon gas-filled panes, insulated frames. These features reduce heat transfer, helping keep your home cooler during Miami Beach's hot months. Low-E coatings also block harmful UV rays, protecting furniture, flooring, and decor from fading. This means your hurricane protection upgrade also improves energy efficiency and comfort. Clear views without compromise. Many homeowners worry that impact-resistant glass will appear bulky or tinted. Today's technology allows for clear, expansive glass that maintains beautiful views of the ocean, skyline, or landscaping. Picture windows are especially popular in waterfront properties where unobstructed sightlines are a priority. Impact-resistant designs ensure you don't have to choose between safety and aesthetics. Compliance with coastal building codes. Miami Beach has strict building codes to address hurricane risks. Impact-resistant picture windows are engineered to meet or exceed these requirements. Installing code-compliant windows not only enhances protection but may also qualify you for insurance benefits or premium reductions. A smart investment for Miami Beach homes. Hurricane season is a fact of life in Miami Beach. Impact-resistant picture windows provide permanent protection against wind, debris, and rain, while delivering natural light and breathtaking views. For homeowners seeking peace of mind without sacrificing style, these windows are more than an upgrade. They're an essential safeguard that strengthens your home's defense and enhances everyday comfort, all in one beautiful solution.